When you look for the best flying orb ball, everything seems the same. Same flashy colors, same playful claims. But here's the truth. The real differences are hidden beneath the surface. Let's uncover what actually makes these orbs worth your time and money. Product number 1, FAQ Flying Orb Ball. First up is the FAQs Flying Orb Ball, priced at $29.79. What caught my attention? The dazzling lights and the promise of interactive family fun. If you want a toy that can entertain your kids and keep them active, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The FAQs Flying Orb Ball offers multiple ways to play, encouraging kids to experiment with how it moves through the air. With a weight of just 4.6 ounces and dimensions of 1x1x1 inches, it's lightweight enough for kids to toss around without fear of damage. Plus, its durable design ensures it can handle rough play, automatically stopping when it bumps into objects. This means less worry for parents and more fun for the kids. Now, some people complained about the battery life, which lasts around 8–10 minutes per charge. Here's the thing though, for younger kids, that's usually enough time to keep them entertained before needing a recharge. It might be a deal breaker for older kids looking for longer play sessions, but for younger ones, it keeps things fresh. This is perfect for you if you have kids aged 6 and up who love active play. Skip this one if you're looking for something that provides longer playtime without needing a charge. At this price, it's a fun and engaging gift option. Now, if the battery life of the FAQs bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AMERFIST Flying Orb Ball. Next, we have the AMERFIST Flying Orb Ball, available for $32.47. This one stood out to me with its high-tech features and cool RGB light effects. If you're after a toy that combines technology with fun, this is a top contender. What's great about the AMERFIST Flying Orb Ball is its intelligent flight capability. This means your kids can create unique flight paths and experience the fun of a boomerang effect. It's lightweight at just 1.1 ounces, making it perfect for little hands. Plus, it has a quick charge time of about 20 minutes, offering a solid 8–10 minutes of play. Now, some users mention that the control can be a bit tricky at first. I'll be real with you, it may take a little bit of practice to master. But that's part of the fun. It teaches kids patience and coordination while they figure it out. This is perfect for you if you want a toy that offers a bit of a challenge and encourages creativity. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's easy to use right out of the box. For the price, you're getting a fun and engaging experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more flight modes. Product number 3, FAQs Flying Orb Ball. The FAQs Flying Orb Ball comes in next at $41.84. What caught my eye, its promise of multiple flight modes and a safe design. If you want a toy that offers versatility and safety, this one is worth checking out. This orb features a unique design that allows it to float, glide, and even return like a boomerang. It's crafted from non-toxic ABS material, which means it can withstand crashes without breaking. The 360 degrees mesh design protects the inner mechanisms, so no need to worry about safety. It's slightly heavier at 4.6 ounces and has a charging time of about 25 minutes for 8–10 minutes of continuous flight. Some users pointed out that it can take a while to charge compared to other models. Here's the thing though, the fun and diverse flying modes more than make up for it. Kids will love experimenting with how this orb moves, which keeps them engaged for longer. This is perfect for you if you have kids who enjoy experimenting and want a safe, fun toy. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight and portable. It's a bit pricier, but the unique features justify the cost. Now, if you're interested in versatility but want something lighter, the next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, FAQs Flying Orb Ball. The FAQs Flying Orb Ball is next on the list, priced at $33.47. This one caught my attention with its high-tech features and safe design. If you want a toy that combines fun with educational value, this is a solid choice. What makes the FAQs stand out is its smart AI chip that allows for intelligent flight. Kids can throw it and see how it reacts differently depending on their technique. With a weight of 4.6 ounces, it's sturdy and flexible, perfect for indoor and outdoor play. Plus, it has a quick charge time of just 25 minutes, giving you 8–10 minutes of flying fun. Some reviews highlighted that it can be a bit unpredictable in terms of flight path. I get it, that might be frustrating initially, but it's also part of the learning experience. Kids will develop their skills as they figure out how to control it better. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that challenges your kids while keeping them entertained. Skip this one if you want something that offers a straightforward flying experience. At a reasonable price, it's a fun investment. And now, for our final pick, if you want something that's budget-friendly with similar features, check out the last orb. Product number 5, Hovey SCO Flying Orb Ball. Last but not least is the Hovey SCO Flying Orb Ball, coming in at the budget price of $20.28. I was surprised by this option's price for what you get. If you're looking for an affordable flying toy that still packs a punch, this one's definitely worth a look. The Hovey SCO Flying Orb offers 4 exciting flight modes, including hovering and boomeranging, making playtime engaging and educational. Its lightweight ABS material ensures it's durable, and it has a quick charge time of about 20–25 minutes for 8–10 minutes of flight time. It's designed to be safe, stopping automatically when it hits something, which is great for parents. Now, some customers found the design a little too simple for older kids. Here's the thing, this orb excels for younger kids or as a starter toy. It's perfect for teaching the basics of flight and control without overwhelming them. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a fun educational toy for younger kids. Skip this one if you have older kids who might want more complex features. You're getting a lot of value for the price, making it a fantastic gift option. So to wrap it all up, we've seen the IVTVFU Flying Orb Ball for fun and family activities, the AMERFISD for tech lovers, the Snifo for versatility, the TikTok for educational play, and the budget-friendly Hovey SCO. Each of these flying orb balls has its own strengths, and the right choice really depends on what you and your kids are looking for. Happy flying!